Well, the purpose of today's march is going to the police and to the government to say that we've got places like Point Road where there are South Africans who are always scared to go there. Actually, majority of South Africans don't like going there because it's known as a place for Nigeria. Now that doesn't even make sense in your own country, that you can have places where there's South Africans who are not feeling safe going there. There's crime, there's drugs, there's all kinds of illegal activities. So we want our police to take that place seriously. There's also hijacked buildings. There's a lot of things. So we just want to make sure that we send a message, a very strong message that says that we are South Africans and we will not have no-go areas. So we're not a political party, so it's important for us to incorporate people who are from all other political parties to come join us. We don't want people to come here and say it's a certain party thing or certain party thing and feel like this doesn't involve them. It involves all South Africans. We're all affected by it.
We are tired and we're at the police station to give them a memorandum that how are you a police station that's right in the middle of a point road, but the activities of drugs are going on as normal. There's places that we can point that we know that here they sell drugs, here they sell, but the police station is here. It can't be normal. We can't go on like this. How are our children going to survive in a world where police are part of the criminals?
What some of the issues that are part of the memorandum? When you oversee police, some of the issues that are in your memorandum, they should be handed over to the police.
Well, mostly it's to tell police to do their job, first of all. We can't be compromised because the police are supposed to be protecting us, are protecting the people that they're not supposed to be protecting. Second to that, the same police are supposed to be helping with the metropolis in the city, alongside our government, who's also on a beach party instead of sorting this out. Removing these people, all these shops, because most of them are not compliant. These buildings have been hijacked. We keep getting people. You see there at Eddington, we have our members stationed there every day. We have adults here, living here, who are telling us every day that they don't want to live here because they keep getting evicted from people from Congo or Nigeria or Ethiopia or something. How are we supposed to feel safe in South Africa if our police are not protecting us? So it's the hijacked building, it's the drugs, it's the crime, it's the undocumented people living here. We are tired. It's the businesses that they are running here that are not legitimate businesses.
I mean, abafethu ngiyazizwa nje fesi ikhalo zabantu ngamaphoyisa. Yabona nje kule march ebikhona la eThekwini. Le ezama ukulwisana nabantu bokufika. Yabo fethu amaphoyisa. Hey, fethu angazi umsebenzi wawo uthi yini. Ayikabi makukhona amaphoyisa kule mhlawumbe iphoyisa lizobona le video le. Hayi siyaxolisa kodwa hayi asikho happy. Asikho happy. Into eniyaziyo nje ukusihlaba amathikithi nje edrobheni masipakile kwama loading zone niloke nitshela ngathi lapha acting all superior. Uyabona nje angazi la uniform ukuthi nenzani. Abanye beniyanhlanyisa nje kwangempela. Abanye benu nje yanisanganisa nje leya uniform. Mase kufanele kuhambe kuyoboshwa labantu laba badayisa idakamizo lapha bokufika. Niyahluleka and you guys know exactly where those people are. You know exactly where they are selling from. Niyabazi ukuthi badayisa ini, badayisa kephi. Nithatha imali from bona. Ngisho I'm not saying nonke by the way. So mawuthinteka uzazi ukuthi part of labantu engikhuluma ngabo awuzama ukushintsha ngeke asikho happy ngani whether you metro noma useps nje anike nihlukane kuloke niharasana nathi edrobheni niloke nizenza izinto ezintswempu la kuthina linoke lisixhaphaza lapha nedrobheni ukuthi sapaka ekutheni. There's the real criminals there. Hamba nobopha laba abantu lapha abadayisa ama-drugs, badayisa ngey'ngane zamantombazane, benza wonke umsangano lapha. They've taken over South Beach, they've taken over Albert Park. Hayi bafethu, hayi vela nisheshe nisitshele nje ukuthi niyabasaba, nisinikeze lezo y'bhamu sinenzele umsebenzi wenu. Finish. And where sifanele ngabe nisebenzisana nathi, nisebenzisana nomphakathi ukuthi labantu bahambe, labantu bokufika ngoba bayamosha, bayangcolisa edrobheni. Into eniyaziyo nje ukuloke nisifayina nje ama-parking tickets. Hey mfethu, yabo nje umetro, uwest umetro. Yabo lezi ntwana lezi eziqashiwe manje zakametro, nalabo my sister laba abaqashiwe manje kametro, hayi abasanganisa leya uniform, hayi abasanganisa. Umuntu umbuka nje ukuthi akusilona ke nje iphoyisa nje leli, kodwa ke asikho lapha. Hey bo mfethu, uthola ukuthi uphakathi emotweni. Okay, shapa upakile parking. Maybe you parked on a loading zone, kodwa uphakathi emotweni. Hayi qhamuka my sister. Hayi bo my sister mfethu, hayi ngiyasuka angihleli. Sengiqale nokubhanga. How mfethu, niyasangana nina straight. Niyasangana nje straight. The real police work na South Beach, the real police work na go Albert Park, like dayiswa khona ngeingane, like dayiswa khona ama drugs, nisaba amazayizayi nizoqhaphasa thina nje. Ngoba nakho nisena nikeza uniform eblue nesigqoko. Kwathiwa nje go and be Superman. Manje nizoba uSuperman ekuthini? Hayi bafethu, ayingeke sikhathele nje. Angifuni uqamba manga. Ukuthi le authority amaphoyisa ayithathapha ukuthi azoxhaphaza thina. Angazi nje, ngeke ngize ngikutshele. And mina ke kanqeni ke nje bafethu nje ukusho nje. Hayi ngeke siswami waze wayitshela ke bo. Hayi cha, waze wayitshela, waze waphakama bo. Ngeke ungibophele ukuthi ngithe uphakeme. Siyawazi amalungelo wethu. Kuphinde kube ngathi siyadelela, kodwa niyahluleka ukuthi nenze umsebenzi wenu. And by the way, disclaimer, angisho ukuthi nonke akhona amaphoyisa right. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ubaba Mkhwanazi is a good example of that, ukuthi akhona amaphoyisa right. Kodwa bafethu ngeke, you guys can do better. Nje. Ake leya badge nje naleya oath enithathayo maningene emaphoyiseni, ake nithathe serious. Ake nje nithathe serious. It's not a pass yokuthi nifike nizoxhaphaza thina. Hayi nina sicefe kabi nje.
And nansi into engihlezi ngisho. Yabona ama politicians ase South Africa azoqhatha impi yokugcina and ngiyayisaba into ezokwenzeka. Yes, into ezokwenzeka ngiyayisaba because ilapha yangaphansi leli bhodwe lolixabha kancane. Lilolixabha, it's not like abangasho abantu ukuthi we are instigating ilento violence. We are not instigating it. Siyayibona kodwa ukuthi nansi izokwenzeka. If kuukuthi nizoqhubeka as politicians and judge ama South Africans from afar and continue outflank amalentuza ama South Africans, niwabekele kude, nikhohlwe iwona, nithi to hell with South Africans. Forward with ama illegal foreigners. Lawa athi mayebona ama South Africans a protester abashaye ngopendo omnyama. Today that's what happened. That is why laba bantu babona sebenza lento abayenzayo, which is why it's turning violent, because the people that started impi are the people that were there in the flats abathrowe upende omnyama to the protesters of March and March. Yes, and if we continue like this, there's a lot that is going to happen, guys. There's a lot that is going to happen. There's a lot, and abantu, there are scores of people are going to die because of our politicians. Avala lokho, avule kakhulu lokho okuthiwa izandla. Avule nala where the sun doesn't shine. Yes. Leyo nto leyo izokwenza ukuthi ama South Africans abe hurtful, and the next protest might not be peaceful, and the next protest might not be a protest announced, might be a protest ehamba directly with our weapons to go and fight these people. I'm telling you. And our politicians, they are sitting like this. Arelexile, hey, to hell with our South Africans. Guys, musanu kuyithatha kancane lento. This is ibhodwe and liyaxapha laphana ngaphansi. The next thing that is going to happen is the biggest thing, and I don't know what you're going to say, Bantu, if scores of people are going to die. And that is when Lauzo react upon it. Let's understand. and yet you don't understand them manje ama-South Africans ukuthi guys, let's try to understand your side and let's try to understand their side. You understand? It makes no sense. Hey, to hell with Operation Tutul. Okay, to hell with much and much. People, nina ma-politicians.
Uyabona uhulumeni ka-ANC uma lento ningayithathi serious. Liyama foreigners. Uma nicabanga ukuthi kuyadlalwa. Ningajoyini idudula. I-march to march. Ningayijoyini. Nizoluza inqwaba amavoti ngiyanitshela. Phela nina into eniyikhohlwayo ukuthi ningama representatives, ni represent abantu base South Africa. Ane represent nina. Ni represent ama South Africans. Sekta icacile lento mangathiwa wena uthi awuyiboni lento. Ingabe kade ufuna ukubonana. Should awi understand imarket yakho uma uthi lento awuyiboni ibhekephi. Damole le march to march nizama kuyivimba is damole march to march izokhula kakhulu. Is the more anger ama South African nizoyibona kuma elections. Show inani march to march. Phakamisani yawo maqondana nokudeporta ama foreigners. Failing wish niyokhala ngekhwela mdlali.
Hello guys, welcome to Abahambe TV, where we bring you the latest news of what's happening on the ground in South Africa according to this issue that's happening Yama Foreigner. So please guys, please like and subscribe to our channel Abahambe TV. As you've seen guys, things was happening that side. Guys. Please let us fight against these foreigners so that we can get our country back. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe one more time.